Technetronics. Today let us see the demonstration of Android Gingerbread on Beaglebone revision A3. Now let us look at the features of this Beaglebone. This is Beaglebone revision A3 with 5 volts power supply jack, and this is your PMIC expansion with the PMIC chip. This is your Ethernet chip. You have two set of expansion connectors here. This is expansion connector A and this is expansion connector B. This is your heart of the Beaglebone processor, which is AM3359 ARM core, which will be clocked at 500 MHz when powered through USB and 720 MHz when powered through your 5 volt supply. This is your USB host. Here comes your SD or MMC slot, and this is 256 MB RAM of Beaglebone. Here is onboard USB to serial or JTAG chip with Ethernet chip along with the Ethernet jack and USB hub. Here is the Beaglebone reset button along with the 4 user LEDs, and here is your USB client. For this demonstration I am using mini USB cable to power up the Beaglebone, a 4 GB SD card with the Android binaries, Beaglebone revision A3 along with the Ethernet cable. To start up, insert the microSD card to the SD card slot, connect the Ethernet cable and connect mini USB cable via the laptop USB port. To check whether the board is booting or not, enter this command in the terminal. Once you enter the command, you get this prompt and you can see the booting up of the board. In order to see the Android display, make sure you have Android SDK installed in your host. Type this ADB command in order to check whether your Beaglebone device has been connected or not. You can check the device which is attached. With the number 012345678 ABCDEF. Now enter into the ADB shell in order to make your Ethernet up. Type this command netcfg h0 up in order to make your Ethernet up. Type netcfg h0 dhcp and next type netcfg in order to obtain your network address. You can see h0 is connected to 192.168.3.31. So to start your VNC server, type Android VNC server and then enter. You get the available port with 5901 with the port number 5901. So now to view your Android file system, type VNC viewer on your root along with your internet address with the TCP port VNC TCP port 5901. Once you enter the VNC viewer command, you get the Android home screen. So unlock the screen. Click on menu, then click on settings. In the settings menu, click on about phone. You can see the model number as Beaglebone with the Android version 2.3.4. with the kernel version 3.1.0. Now let us check the gallery application. Click on gallery. Here go to images, You can view the list of images here. Click on any image. Thanks for watching this video. For more information and queries, log on to our website www.tenetech.com.